All right, 64 times 8, standard algorithm. So we are going to use this 8 down here. It's going to multiply against the 4 first, and then the 6. And when you're working with the 4 here, if you get a double-digit number, you'll just carry it, and then you'll move on to the 6. So let's go ahead and get started. 8 times 4. Go ahead and do 8 times 4, and then write in those digits where they belong. All right, so 8 times 4 is 32. There's not enough room for that here. Only one digit can go down there. But we're going to carry the 3. It's worth more. And it's on the left, so carry it to the left. The 2 will go down here. 32, just like that. All right, do we need the 4 anymore? We do not. We're finished with the 4. So now we're going to move on to the 6. Now we're going to do 8 times 6. And then I want you to think about, wait, what do we do with that 3 there? Go ahead and pause the video, do this next step. 8 times 6, and then add that 3 in. So 8 times 6 is 48. Sometimes my teachers would say 6 times 8 is 48, because it kind of almost rhymes. So 6 times 8 is 48, and then you add that 3 back in, and you get 51. You don't have to carry because you're done with the problem. There's nowhere to put it. There aren't any other digits over here. So when you get to the end of the problem, you can just put the full thing down here. So again, 6 times 8 is 48 plus 3, that's 51. So you put the full 51 down here. And that's the standard algorithm. Just to recap what we did there, we did 8 times 4, which is 32. And then we did 8 times 6, which is 48 plus 3 is 51.